Many patients reach out to the Hermalin Brain Tumor Center to participate in clinical trials and clinical research. If we're talking about a clinical trial that involves a drug or a treatment for their condition, patients typically go through a screening process to make sure that that drug is safe for them, or as safe as one can be. Patients typically go through a screening process to make sure that the right candidate to participate in that clinical trial and that clinical trial is the right fit for them. During that process, they meet clinical trial experts. Those are often clinicians or doctors that focus on clinical trials for brain tumors, as well as nursing staff and other support staff that ensure safety. There's typically extra visits to monitor safety during a clinical trial, because the patient safety is the most important aspect of care. But they're also participating in a new future. The guidelines are to participate in a clinical trial because that's how we'll create a new future. In every clinical trial that I've participated in, there is always a treatment. When we're talking about a brain tumor, which is a very serious diagnosis, there is always a treatment. So there's never a trial that is a placebo and someone is not getting treatment. There may be a trial where it's standard of care and some people get the investigational drug and other people get the standard of care, but everyone is treated for their tumor. Another important aspect of a clinical trial is that we're monitoring for safety, but we also want to make sure that that patient is set up and in a position to benefit from participating in that trial. So if it seems like we need to approach the treatment differently, then we do that. And we do that through our tumor board. We've got a group of 10 to 15 doctors, as well as nursing staff and psychologists and counselors and others that come together to make sure that we're always delivering the best possible care, whether somebody's on a clinical trial or having other types of treatment.